Today I will show you how to change the system charge for Samsung J1. For proceed, let me show you how. Wait a few minutes. Not in a response. Wow. Okay, we need to open our Samsung. Join now our group, WhatsApp group. You go description. Below this video, there are description tab, and then join to our group. The more you watch, the more you gain it and the courage. Don't be fast. Go slow but sure. We have SIM cards. We penetrate SIM card. We pull this for display. After pouring, display, we use SIM card. There are Cruiser or B17. can use low amount of petroleum. In order to help you to separate. Right, you get LCD there, it goes through. Now pull up. Yes, we are separate now. We have a LCD plus touch and the motherboard. Now we're going to open it. Keep in safe place. Now we end to open by pulling up. Let's search for nut. There are no any nut. Then we are opening this. Pull it up. Yes, we did. You see, now we have separate the socket with this body. We start with earphone cap, camera, and then vibration will live in this board. And then you see our system charge is there. Okay, let me we'll move on changing. Before changing, we need to clean it. We use battery and brush tools. Anything which have a brush, toothpaste, brush, we use it. Don't use the toothpaste. We use brush, and a brush can be used, but the liquid needed is on petrol or diesel or spirit. You can use After cleaning, we plug in our charge, and we use meter to check if there are any volts. We have a multimeter there. Okay. Right. No any voltage pass. Okay. Can I try another charge? As well as ground there. No any voltage pass. So we're going to change this. Remove and replace another. Now we're going to change it. Make sure you use soda wire paste. Eh. Ready, we remove. Now we're going to change. Ready, we have removed. Now we're going to change. But we haven't the system charge. That is similar with Samsung system charge, which we are removed here. So I'm going to show you how to use another system charge we use for Techno. Now I'm gonna show you this for Samsung. This is for Samsung, and this is for Techno. In a way, we're going to loop and to use this. We press there. And we're going to heat it with the blower. Now I have to We'll wait for a few minutes in order to cool. Then we're going to try it. We're going to try. Select. That's where the ground is now. Let's see. Watch. Imesemaje? Now we're going to cross. Press everything. Yes, forward. We're going to cross. Ready? Now we'll press motherboard.
Yani hapa hauwezi kuchelewa tukusetie kila kitu yani.
Right. Ready?
Simu yako iko? Right, joto iko right kabisa. Na ukifika uanze kuitumia.
We press. Alright. Our display.
What downstairs? Safi na kwaje? Mwanangu. Mwanangu.
And then we cross.
Massive.
Then we try
Massive.
a charge. Okay, now we plug in our charge in order to test. Thanks for your support. TNZ Courage. The more you watch, the more you gain. Subscribe now on our channel TNZ Courage. Press ring icon in order to get all notification for new updating from TNZ Courage. Thank you.